can't see. Back in the car. Back in the car.
Southbound on 40th.
Let's go.
Hey, CopCam fam, and welcome back to another episode. Today we're diving into a tense showdown in Tampa that has made headlines. Tampa, Florida, known for its sunny days and vibrant nightlife. But as we're about to see, the streets can sometimes tell a different story. At this point, we hear the police radio reporting an offense in the parking lot.
Do we have an offense?
A gunshot rings out, location still unknown. And there, the suspect's vehicle makes its move, initiating a heart-pounding chase. We see officers making a pivotal move, attempting a traffic stop on the suspect vehicle. Tensions rise as officers order the occupants to show their hands. In the line of duty, an officer never knows what dangers light ahead at any given moment. We could start off as a routine traffic stop for a broken headlight, which could quickly escalate into a fight for your life if the suspect has darker secrets to hide. In this situation, the suspects are clearly in danger as they race to the streets. Then, in a matter of seconds, an explosive exchange. Shots ring out from the suspect vehicle, pushing the officers into immediate action. And as chaos unfolds, the suspects retreat into their car, speeding away.
Passenger. All right. Hey!
Shots fired.
Shots fired.
Where's he at? I can't see. Back in the car. Back in the car. Back in the car.
Southbound on 40th.
Let's go.
Don't get too close.
I didn't get any.
1034, check on the officers. Southbound on 40th, passenger. Looks like they're moving.
The clock ticks, and we're amidst a high-speed chase. The adrenaline is palpable as officers communicate, updating the situation and calling for reinforcements. As the relentless tick of the clock punctuates the tense silence, the night is shattered by a cacophony of roaring engines and desperate shouts. Streetlights streak by in a blur, casting fleeting shadows that play tricks on the eye. Every turn, every screech of tires is a testament to the dangerous dance underway. We are immersed in a high-speed chase, where every second could mean the difference between capture and escape. Calls for backup echo across frequencies, a resounding plea for reinforcements. This isn't just a chase. It's a symphony of strategy and instinct, playing out in real time on the asphalt stage below.
It's all yours. Alright, 10-4. Southbound on 40th. Passing 26 out.
Level 4, I'm in pursuit. Charge is going to be 24 on Leo.
The chase's intensity is palpable, with speed surging to nearly 80 miles per hour, transforming the city streets into a perilous racetrack. Every twist and turn of the suspect's vehicle amplifies the danger, making the police radio, crackling with rapid updates, an essential lifeline. Officers, in their heightened state of alert, act as a unified force, each move calculated to predict the suspect's next decision, always striving to protect innocent bystanders from potential harm. The officers strategically blocking roads, setting up barricades, and positioning spike strips become critical components of their on-the-fly planning. Their primary objective isn't merely the capture, it's ensuring public safety. With every heartbeat and tire rotation, they are driven by a deep-seated commitment to bring this harrowing pursuit to a conclusion without jeopardizing the community they serve. The culmination of a heart-pounding pursuit arrives as officers strategically encircle the suspect vehicle, a tangible tension thickening the very air. Commands echo sharply, slicing through the charged atmosphere, each shout embodying the weight of the situation. And as headlights pierce the darkness and sirens wail, the scene unfolds, each second dripping with uncertainty. The glint of handcuffs, the poised stance of law enforcement, and the hum of idling engines combine to create a symphony of intensity. The driver's hesitation is evident. The law enforcement professionals stand ready.
Driver! Driver! Come out of the car with your hands up! Driver, come out! Driver, face away! Face away from the back up! Back up! Keep backing up!
Driver's out, suspect still in vehicle.
Female, go to your left! Driver, left! That's right! Go to your left! Go to your left! 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 Stop! Back up! Back up! Keep backing up!
Trying to get a look on the passenger. Bro, he was trying to hold.
When the dust settles, the evidence starts to come together. A weapon, eerily matching one from another incident earlier that night. With the drama captured, the follow-up begins. Officers involved step back, administrative leave takes effect, and the Florida Department of Law Enforcement takes the investigative lead. Chief Lee Burkaw voices his thoughts, relief intertwined with concern.
Into the stop. We approach the vehicle, and we get the passenger outside the vehicle. He was deceased on the scene. This could have gone wrong. Around 13 years ago yesterday, we had 2 officers that got killed during a traffic stop.
The raw reality? Bullets had riddled the police vehicle. A situation where officers felt they had no option but to use deadly force. Now, detectives are on a mission, seeking the truth behind the initial events of that fateful night on East Bush Boulevard. Every piece, a part of a larger puzzle yet to be completed. Well, that wraps up our deep dive for today, CopCammers. We're reminded of the unyielding challenges faced by our law enforcement, where every situation has the potential of ending in disaster. It's no easy job. Remember the essence of community and cherish every life. Drop your insights below, and I'll catch you in the next episode. Before you go, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell. Don't miss out on another high-octane ride with us. Share the adrenaline, spread the word, and always stay safe out there, fam.